Hey guys, today, let's learn how to send voice messages on the X app. So if you guys would like to go ahead and send voice messages over onto the X application, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do this, step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright guys, so the first step in order for us to do this is to go ahead and launch the X application. So it's right here. And then, what I want you to do next is to go ahead and proceed to your preferred DM section. So once you're over onto your X application, I want you guys to proceed to the Messages option right here on your Messages tab. And I want you to proceed to the preferred person that you want to go ahead and send the message to. Now, in this case, I want you to proceed to, of course, that specific person that you want to go ahead and send the message to. And then once we are already there, let's go ahead and just basically use the option to send a specific voice message to that person. So let's say, for example, that I want to go ahead and basically send a message to Shu. Let's say Wagyu. So we need to go ahead and message this person. But of course, we actually need to have this person verified for us to message them. So what we can do as well is to message other people. So let's actually try to go ahead and message this person over here. And if you want to go ahead and send them, let's say a voice message, just go ahead and just tap on this voice message option. And that's gonna allow you to record the audio up to 140 seconds. And once you're done recording, of course, just tap on this option again to stop it. And you have the option to send it. As you see right here, you could also go ahead and tap on the play audio to listen to what first. And that's all for this video. Guys, anyways, for watching, please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. And I'll see you guys on the next video.